How to fix Shein app crashing. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix Shein app crashing. Now, if your Shein app isn't working, you could go with the first basic steps like checking your internet connections. So you could just go to your settings on your device, locate network and internet. Over here, you could go to internet and make sure to switch between Wi-Fi or mobile data. That might also be able to help. Now that you are in the settings section itself, you then need to locate the app section from the list. Go to Shein and here you want to click on storage and cache. You could also clear storage, but you'll be locked out of your device. So you could just go ahead and clear that out, and if the issue still persists on, try checking for an update. Sometimes it could be due to the outdated version. So open up your respective app store and type in Shein and make sure to update the app to the latest version. And this is how you're going to fix Shein app from crashing. If nothing works out, simply restart and uninstall and reinstall your Shein app. That's also going to help you out fix your issue. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.